Hello, Chef here. I got these beautiful marinated steaks. Oh, look at those babies. Yeah. I'm going to take these and I'm going to cook them very quickly. I want to get some of the marinade off the steak like this. These are marinated sirloin steaks. This is the grill pan. Okay. And we let them cook. Yeah. Turn these about 45 degrees. Got this beautiful tomato here, organic tomato. Gonna cut it right down the middle. German chef knife, of course. Touch of olive oil. Okay, we're going to turn these steaks now. Oh, look at those marks. Nice. Tomato looks good too. Reserve this to the side. Fresh basil. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Put them here on the block, let them rest a little, and I'll be finishing this sauce. Yeah, this pan's really nice. I'm just adding a little bit of pasta to the pan now to get all that flavor off of there. Toss it together. Yeah, looking good. Julienne carrots. A few of these go in here as well. Toss together. Oh yeah. Fresh ground pepper. Oh yeah. Slice up the steak here. Oh, look at that. For a garnish, I've selected fresh basil. We're going to put some of this sliced steak around the plate, just like this. And a little bit of fresh rosemary. Thank you for watching, and once again, you can learn more about this meal, as well as the world's best pan and other world's best products at your sponsor. Have a great day. Marinated beef sirloin, beef flavored fettuccine, julienne carrots, grilled tomato, and fresh herbs. A few of our chef friends. Marinated beef sirloin, beef flavored fettuccine, julienne carrots, grilled tomato, and fresh herbs. Thank you for watching the presentation.